Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking a reputable VPN so Facebook Dating sees the connection you want. Once installed, sign in and grant the app network permissions. This ensures stable routing. Connect to a server in the country or city you prefer. A nearby server reduces latency and speeds up profile loads. Make sure the VPN indicator shows connected. That's your signal to proceed. If the provider offers split tunneling, enable it only if you understand which apps you want routed through the VPN. Once the VPN is connected, close Facebook entirely and reopen it so the app obtains the VPN-assigned IP. Then go to the dating section. Facebook will detect your new network location and may prompt for confirmation. Make sure your profile location reflects the server region if that's your goal. If you use split tunneling, route only Facebook through the VPN to avoid unnecessary slowdowns. Also, update app and OS to minimize login issues and to keep secure TLS connections intact while browsing profiles. To finish, interact with dating normally and watch for slow loads or location mismatches. Change servers if performance suffers. If Facebook blocks login or shows suspicious activity, temporarily disable the VPN, sign in, then reconnect and recheck dating. This reestablishes session tokens tied to your account. Enable the VPN kill switch to prevent accidental IP leaks and clear app cache if stale location persists. If problems continue, contact VPN support or try a different provider that is known to work reliably with social apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.